The Spigen Enzo Aramid case strikes an impressive balance between premium aesthetics and practical protection for the Pixel 10 device. What sets this case apart is its genuine aramid fiber construction, which gives it a distinctive high-tech look that feels both sophisticated and durable. The material has a smooth yet slightly granular texture that provides excellent grip without being too aggressive, making it comfortable to hold during extended use. I'm particularly impressed with the MagSafe compatibility. The built-in magnets are strong enough to securely hold wireless chargers and accessories without any slipping or shifting. Combined with Spigen's air cushion technology in the corners and a raised camera rim, the protection level is solid for everyday drops and bumps. The metallic accents around the logo and camera module add a classy, professional touch that elevates the overall design. However, the case isn't perfect. The camera cutout is quite wide, leaving more of the phone's back edge exposed than I'd prefer for maximum protection. Like most aramid fiber cases, it also tends to show smudges and fingerprints, though they wipe away easily enough. The fit is excellent, though. It snaps on tightly and feels completely secure. While it's more expensive than Spigen's typical budget-friendly options, the Enzo Aramid justifies its premium price with genuine materials and thoughtful design. If you're looking for a case that combines style with substance and don't mind paying extra for quality, this is a strong contender that should serve your Pixel 10 device well for years.